I don't know the name to give to this exercise, but I've been working on it lately. I call it, or I will call it, the 1-3 extended interval exercise, right? 1-3 extended interval exercise. Now this is it. Let me play it very slow. Right. Next. 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 Then end with the do. That is alright. So right, let's go again. So let me just try calling out the note, right? So the idea is up here playing, right? We're playing a 1-3 interval, which is right. That's that line of work. So call it a 1-3 interval. So while playing this interval up, the down we are playing like I call it. You can also call it the 1-1, right? Which is right. That interval too also. So, but you're combining all of them together, right? So let me just spell out the note for you. So the first one, right? So do mi then do ti, do mi do ti. You get it? So the next one is re fa then re do, right? Re fa re do. The next one mi so then mi re. So mi re. You get it? The next one is fa la then fa mi, fa la fa mi. Next so ti so fa, so ti so fa. The next la do then la so. Sorry, la do la so, la do la so. You get it? La do la so. Then ti re ti la. Right? And you end it with your do mi then do ti then do. Alright, so and play it very slowly now. Next one. Next. 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 The next. Right, so again. Right, so ooh. So just try it out. Try working with a metronome and try to make sure your notes are clean and clear, right? Just work with a metronome again continuously. When you're done playing very slow, then you can actually step it up to your desired tempo, right? So yes, that is just all about this. So like I said, I call it the 1-3 extended interval exercise. So just check it out, try it out, and you can actually use it to create something, right? Just use it to create something of your choice.